Hi everyone, I have a Temu haul. I am an affiliate with them. I do have a coupon code. It is fav45575. If you put that in the search bar on the website or the app and you're a new user, you get coupons. And if not, it should take you to my storefront where I have different products listed in there. And then in the description box of this video, I will also leave a link to all of these products. So I'm still in Christmas shopping mode. So I really wanted some rub-ons and I found two different sets and they were really differently priced. So this pack was $7.47 and this one was only $3.90, but they were completely different. So let me show you guys. Like this one, I love vintage Christmas, and then there was a little puppy in here. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need that pack. It killed me that it was like double the price of the other one, but I just absolutely needed it. And then like right here too, I live in San Diego where we have the beach, so this just totally made me think of like home with like the little seashell reef. And then look at this cute little puppy, like I needed him. We got Santa, and then we got Santa on a boat right here. We actually have like a festival on our bay where the boats will put Christmas lights on and there's like a little like boat parade. So this just made me totally think of home. And then here's our next one. Again, look at that little puppy. Oh my gosh, I didn't even pay attention to this one. Her dress is a Christmas tree. That is so cute. And there's like vintage Santa. See, like I just totally needed these. So I got those, and it comes with your little popsicle. And then this one, like I said, this one was just affordable. I think $4 is a good price. So I got this one. It is different like style. So here's this one. We used to make gingerbreads every year, my mom and I, for like each like family. How do I say it? Like, so like my cousins. So like my cousin married her husband and her kids. Like we would give them a gingerbread house. And then like my aunt, her kids, her husband, we'd give them a house. So we used to make a ton of gingerbread houses, and we just haven't done it anymore. It is a ton of work. It would take us a couple of days to do. And then with my mom's health not being great, like it's just a lot of work for me to do by myself. So we just stopped doing them. But we talked about maybe doing it just for like our kids to decorate. So we'll see how this year goes. Let's see, this was $4.75. Y'all know how much I love my Disney. So when I saw this one, I had to get it. It is to go around like a cup, but you can actually cut these up and use on like your acrylic tags. You could use it in your scrapbooking. So I just thought these were super adorable that I definitely needed those. Oh, they're all the same. I don't know if I remember that they were all the same. Usually they're like different in the pack, but I'm happy. Like this pattern is gorgeous. So now I have like a scrapbooking one to make like acrylic tags. I want to get the acrylic bookmarkers because my mom loves to read. And let's see. I'm like, hopefully she doesn't watch this video because I'm like, spoiler alert, I got her a book for Christmas. So hopefully she doesn't watch this video. I don't know if she watches my channel. I'm gonna have to ask her because whoops if she does, right? Let's see, this is 100 pieces for $2.28. So I use these on my Pokie tools. I've shown them before. On my Pokie tools, my beadable pins, they are like little connectors with a little loop. Well, this ended up coming up on my feed that they had plastic colors. So I don't have anything like that. I only have silver and gold. So I absolutely love this. And these are kind of like pastel. I wish that there was like darker colors. Like I wish there was like a true red in here and like a darker green for like the holidays. But still really, really cute. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. So this was $8.91 for 30 pieces. And it's a little snowman. And I've been obsessed with singing the Frozen Do You Want to Build a Snowman song. So this just came in like perfect timing. So this is going to be perfect for like a Pokie tool or beadable pen. So you have, oh, I just lost the body. So there you go. You have the body, the face, and then the little hat. Like how stinking cute is that? So that's going to be really, really cute. So I'm going to do a couple pins, a couple Pokie tools, and I'll end up sharing what those come out looking like. Okay, this one was $2.35. I thought it was going to be bigger. So now that I have it, like, look at how thin it is going to cut out to make it into a shaker, because in the photo it's a shaker. I didn't think it was gonna be this thin. Like, to cut foam this thin, I just feel like it's not gonna be fun to try to like glue it all together to make a shaker. I don't think I want to use this as a shaker, so I'll probably use the background piece and just layer it and not be a shaker, which I'm kind of sad about because I was really excited about it being a shaker. But I don't know, has anybody done a shaker where it's like super thin around? Like, I just feel like it's not going to be a good time to try to glue and put together. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play with it and I'll let you guys know how that works out. This one was $3.03 and it is so stinking cute. So it is a melted snowman. And in the photo, they took off like the extra, so it was just the little snowman guy and his little carrot nose and his buttons and his little like branches for his arms. So that's how I want to do mine. I think it's so stinking cute. So I cannot wait to play with that. I used to do wax seals like all the time and I hardly do them anymore. And I want to get back into that because I really did enjoy playing with wax seals. Oh my gosh, this one is, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's just so stinking cute that I was like, I need those. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I need them. And it was supposed to be 500 pieces for $4.19. So, I mean, if I made a junk journal, this would be really good just to put in there as like a filler. But I haven't done a junk journal, like actually sewn a junk journal, I don't think ever. I usually just like bind it with ribbon. So maybe I'm gonna have to like venture out and actually like do more junk journals that are like complete and like sewn together. Let's see, this was 98 cents for 100 stickers and these are so gorgeous. They are clear stickers that are snowflakes. Let me see if I can open this. So it looks like they're little circles, so like to seal like maybe your envelope, like if you're sending out like Christmas, let me see, like Christmas cards. Oh, here we go. We'll put it on the back here. So you see there's just like different shapes. And for under $1, I thought that was really good. And they're gold. They're a gold foil. So like how pretty is that? So I was like, I definitely need that for my stash. I'm hoping maybe next year. I'm not going to be able to do it this year. I've hosted before like a Christmas card exchange and I don't have time. Like, as you guys see, like I don't even post every day like I used to. Like, life is just a little bit crazy and I'm hoping that things will get a little bit better with my dad's health. I'm hoping next week we'll get good news. So stay tuned, I guess, for that because I just ripped off a sticker from somewhere. Yeah, hoping doctor has good news for us next week. So that's what's been going on there. So that's like everything from this haul right now. I do have a couple more packages coming in. I've been in this funk of where like I'm not feeling creative to like craft, but like my shopping's been extreme and like being on Temu and stuff. So I did place an order for like Sunny to get him some Christmas presents. I got my mom some Christmas presents off of there. My nephews just always want like a video game, so I'm gonna wait for them to tell me what they want. And yeah, just kind of go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I haven't really been around. I think I'll do like a video soon of like a little update video for you guys of just like what's been going on in my life, because you guys have been on this like journey with me for so long with my dad and everything. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help you guys out. Like I said, I'll link everything down below in the description box for you guys, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.